everyone, welcome back to Smart Study Sport. In today's video, we will be sharing the 20 quotations for essay hockey match. Before starting the video, I want to assure you that these quotes will not only add depth to your essay but also make them stand out. So let's get started. A hockey player plays where the puck is. A great player plays where the puck is going to be. Every day is a great day for hockey. Hockey doesn't build character, it reveals it. Hockey is where we live. Life is just a place we spend between games. It takes balls to play hockey. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Hard work makes things look easy. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Let your mistakes makes you better, not bitter. I feel like I am in heaven while playing hockey. Hockey goals are not attained by strength but by perseverance. I went to a fight the other night and the hockey game broke out. Winning means you are willing to go longer, work harder, and give me than anyone else. Students, if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. The reward lies in playing the game and enjoying its thrill, not the victory. Hockey is a twin sibling of cricket. Those passionate about cricket watch the hockey matches with equal enthusiasm. You only see obstacles when you take your eyes off the goal. This quote is derived from the first one. A good player plays where the ball is. A great player plays where the ball is going to be. Next one is my favorite quote. Good player inspire themselves. Great player inspire others. The only difference between you and your goal is the story that you tell yourself as to why you can't achieve it. Everyone has the desire to win, but only champions have the desire to prepare to win. If you are looking for more quotes related to games, check out our video on sports and game. See you in the next video.